The Shark Bounce House with Slide from Action Air is a versatile playset that can be used wet or dry, making it perfect for all seasons. Setup is quick and easy, taking less than 3 minutes, and includes everything needed such as the bouncer, air blower, water tube, repair patches, lawn stakes, blower stakes, and a convenient carrying bag. The design prioritizes safety, with controlled air leakage from seams to prevent overinflation and extra thick durable material in the climbing and sliding areas. The Bounce House, which measures 15 feet in length, 10.5 feet in width, and 8 feet in height, can comfortably accommodate up to 4 children at a time with a maximum weight limit of 200 pounds. The playset offers a wide range of activities including sliding, climbing, water spray, and a water pool, providing endless fun for children during both summer and winter. The package also includes a heavy-duty air blower with a 25 feet long power cord and handheld handle, ensuring a safe and fun-filled bouncing experience.